Hello, this is Audrey Shimming of Lab 3. Deleted my last section of the video where I explained this first part, but this has been in there for like 10 minutes. And this is what it ended on, 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and we can switch that over to Celsius, and it is negative 0.8 degrees Celsius. Alright, now moving on to my cup with salt and ice. We're going to measure that one for 10 minutes. Okay, so here's the ice with the salt after 10 minutes, and it got significantly colder, like significantly faster. Now we're going to mix all of our stuff together in our bowl, like our half and half mixture. So I'm going to take my half a teaspoon. Actually, we're going to do the half and half first. So we're going to take our fourth a cup. We're going to do that 3 times. But first, I'm going to take my thermometer, kind of warm it up, and we're going to take the temperature of the half and half while it's still in here so it doesn't cool down. And this is the original temperature. Okay. That's it. 84. So now we're just going to pop that in there. Okay, and then it's plateaued at 45 degrees on the dot. So, take that out. Now we're going to measure out 3/4 cup. And that's 3. Okay, now we're going to do the vanilla, and that is half a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, there it is. There we go. Okay. Put back on. And now we're going to do the sugar. Two, there's 3. Okay. Now we're just gonna mix it up. Oh, with a whisk. Mix it with a whisk. think that's mixed pretty good. So now I'm gonna get my quart size bag and pour this into my bag. Okay. Now we're going to measure this. Okay, and it's 55.9 degrees Fahrenheit and 11.6 degrees Celsius. So now we're going to close this. Get most of the air out of it. I'm going to set that right there. And then I've got my gallon Ziploc bag. I'm going to get some ice. Guest appearance. And then we're gonna get our salt, and we're gonna put a layer of salt in with our ice. And we're gonna just repeat the process. Some more ice in there. More salt. One more round and that should get us. Got my bag about halfway full. I'm gonna put some more salt on there. Okay, I went ahead and put my baggie of mixture with half and half sugar and vanilla. And now we're just gonna put some more ice in there. One. Another layer of ice. We're going to do another layer of salt. I'm just going to do that a couple more times until it's full. Okay, I went ahead and filled it up more just to cover our stuff, and now I'm going to seal this off really well. And then we're gonna measure it again. Before we go, just gonna warm it up. Okay, it's at 70, 80 degrees roughly. So now we're gonna put it in here. Hope I didn't just poke a hole in my bag, because of that would not be good. Okay, now I'm just gonna put the thermometer in here. Just gonna Okay, it's about 10 degrees. It keeps fluctuating between 10 and 10.4 degrees Fahrenheit. So now we shake. All right, I got my oven mitt, and now we roll. I'm just gonna do like this until I see that it gets solid, or about 15-20 minutes, something like that. Okay, so I'm about 10 minutes in, and I'm gonna have to add some more ice into here because it's melting faster than what I thought. Some more ice. And then we're gonna put some more salt in there. Seal it back up. And now we roll. Okay, I'm at the 15-minute mark, and it looks like it's getting really solid, so we're gonna check it. Oh yeah. I just made ice cream in a bag. This is crazy. This is like legit. Okay, so now we're gonna set that aside to rinse off, and we're gonna check the temperature of our ice and salt. Oh my goodness, it's dropping so fast. Whew. Okay, while that's dropping down, I'm gonna go rinse this off and put it in a bowl. Okay, so I just rinsed off my ice cream bag and put it in a bowl. And our ice is at negative 1.3 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, let's see how many degrees Celsius it is. Negative 18.5 degrees Celsius. I've never made ice cream in a bag before. And I got some sprinkles. So I'm gonna put those on real quick, and then I'll give you a rating, like, out of 5. Okay, I've got my ice cream in a bowl, and I got some sprinkles. So I'm gonna put some, maybe not that much, but okay. Let's give it a taste test. Six out of 5. That's so good. Yummy!